This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
So now we're holding in the week before Pesach, and we want to talk about a very important subject, the subject of cleaning for Pesach. And the reason why I like to talk about this subject is because it's easier to talk about it than to actually clean for Pesach. No, but all kidding aside, cleaning for Pesach gives us and grants us special spiritual benefits. I want to read to you what the Hayashar writes in Parak Tzadi in the name of the Yesod Yosef. V'yesh Kabbalah b'yadi. I have a tradition. Shekol toirach she'adam matriach atzmai l'chvod Yom Tov shel Pesach. Every tircha, every effort that a person exerts for the Yom Tov of Pesach, v'hu oyef yagea b'hatorech, and it causes a person to tire and weary. Azai ve'esek zeh, with this effort, hu hoyrei kol hamazikim, you kill all those who try to damage you, hanekram nigei b'nei adam, that are called the afflictions of man. Actually, this refers specifically to the harm that one inflicts upon oneself through what is known as hitzah zera levatala, but certainly through the efforts of cleaning for Pesach, through sweating for Pesach, through schwitzing for Pesach, through yagia for Pesach, it destroys all mekatrigim and all those who try to harm a person. So yes, it's a difficult task, but it's considered a task which is beneficial to us spiritually. May the Rebbe Shalom give us siyata d'shmaya to remove from ourselves all the mekatrigim, and may we have a preparation that gives us the opportunity to go into Yom Tov only be'bracha v'hatzlacha.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.